Hey, how is it going, everybody? So, is your Pixel 10 Pro XL stock Android? I got into a bit of a conversation today with somebody about this, and they were telling me that there's no such thing as stock Android anymore. And I was like, it was a tough argument because here's the deal. So, yes, this is stock Android. Your Pixel, any Pixel you have, is stock Android. But the trick is, that's not even the trick. The problem is there's fragmentation now inside of our Pixels. Now, your brand new Pixel 10 Pro XL has many new features that even the Pixel 9 doesn't have, all right? And as you go down the list, it gets less and less and less. And that's just the way it is. But it's not a big deal. If you're a Samsung user, we're at the point now where I don't think people even really care. It's kind of like a nerd argument now. Like, where you get us nerds, we're like arguing like, well, this is stock Android, and well, that's not stock Android. You know, Motorola has a pretty cool skin, and it is a skin. It seems like stock Android, but Motorola throws their own software in there. Here's what I think stock Android is. I think the Pixel 10 Pro XL is an advanced version of stock Android, and here's why I say that. Because this is Android the way Google intended. Now, Samsung, it runs One UI, and One UI is terrific. If you want the most useful layer of Android ever, One UI is extremely useful. But then again, say you're a purist or you don't want all that extra hoopla, that's where having a Pixel 10 Pro XL, or, you know, even going back to like a Pixel 6, Pixel 7, you know, even older Pixels are terrific, right? Because at the end of the day, a lot of the things that you're using on your Pixel are pretty bare bones anyway. Now, OnePlus, you know, it has its own skin as well, and that's cool. I'm not really much of a OnePlus person. Nothing against OnePlus. I think they're amazing. And they have all these other Android phones out there with their own skins as well. And anyway, that's that. But as far as your Pixel phone, this is stock Android. It's as stock Android as you get. And yeah, I'm really enjoying my Pixel 10 Pro XL. I really can't say enough about it. A lot of people talked bad about the processor. I think the processor is terrific on here. It does what it's supposed to do. I'm not having any issues with it. I've made videos talking about it. You know, I play Asphalt 9 on this phone. I do everything on this phone that I can do on any other phone, right? Now, the one thing that I don't do on this is I don't edit thumbnails and I don't edit video on this because I prefer the built-in software that Samsung One UI comes with. So that's the one downside. Before you say you're a Galaxy user and you're coming over to this right here, make sure that you're not dependent on any Galaxy software, all right? Because it's not here. And there are some Samsung apps that you can install, but there's a lot that you cannot. And especially if you're like me, if you're really dependent on the Samsung editing software and the ability to create custom thumbnails on the Galaxy, you're not going to get that here. It's just not the same. All right, everybody. Bye.